Hazrat Ali ibn Abi Talib used to say that if a man said to his wife, "You are haram for me," it counted as 3 pronouncements of divorce. Malik Rahmatullah said, "That is the best of what I have heard on the subject." Al Hadith Muwatta Imam Malik, book number 29, hadith number 1.6.